Owning a car in 2026 is no longer just about the sticker price. From soaring insurance rates and maintenance costs to unexpected tech updates and rising fuel or charging bills, the real price of driving goes far beyond what you see at the dealership. Many car owners are discovering that keeping a vehicle on the road can quietly drain their wallets, sometimes faster than they expect. Today, we're breaking down the hidden costs that every driver needs to know before hitting the road. Today, we will talk about the real cost of owning a car in 2026. It's more than you think. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Why owning a car feels cheaper than it is. Many people focus only on the sticker price when buying a car, but the true cost of ownership goes far beyond the initial purchase. While a new car may cost $35,000 on paper, expenses such as insurance, maintenance, fuel, registration, taxes, depreciation, and unexpected repairs can easily add thousands more annually. In 2026, rising inflation, increased fuel costs, and insurance premiums are making car ownership more expensive than ever. People often underestimate these hidden costs, believing that monthly payments or fuel budgets are the only considerations. In reality, owning a car is a long-term financial commitment that affects your cash flow, savings, and investment potential. Understanding the total cost of ownership, TCO, is essential to making informed decisions and avoiding financial surprises. 2. Depreciation, the silent killer of car wealth. Depreciation is often overlooked, but is one of the biggest hidden costs of car ownership. On average, a new car loses 20 to 30% of its value in the first year and about 50% over 5 years. This means a $35,000 vehicle may only be worth $17,500 after 5 years, regardless of how well it's maintained. Unlike houses or other assets, cars rarely appreciate. For many, this loss is invisible until they try to sell or trade in the vehicle. Depreciation is especially significant with electric vehicles, EVs, in 2026, as battery technology and government incentives can drastically alter resale value. Being aware of depreciation encourages smarter buying choices, such as purchasing slightly used cars or considering vehicles with proven resale stability. 3. Insurance costs continue to rise. Insurance is another major factor that increases the real cost of owning a car. Premiums are influenced by vehicle type, age, location, driving record, and coverage level. In 2026, insurers are raising rates due to higher repair costs, inflation, and claims frequency. Comprehensive and collision coverage for newer vehicles can cost thousands per year. Many car buyers underestimate this recurring expense, which can significantly affect monthly budgets. Even with safe driving habits, insurance costs rise with the vehicle's value. Ignoring insurance in initial calculations often leads to underestimating the true financial impact of owning a car. 4. Fuel and energy costs are higher than ever. Fuel and energy costs are another underestimated component. Traditional gasoline vehicles face fluctuating gas prices, while EV owners must consider electricity rates, charging infrastructure fees, and battery replacement costs over time. In 2026, global energy shifts and supply chain issues contribute to unpredictable fuel expenses. Commuters driving long distances or multiple vehicles per household feel the financial impact most. Underestimating fuel costs can lead to overextended budgets and reduced savings potential. Accurate planning for monthly and yearly fuel expenses is essential to understanding the real price of car ownership. 5. Maintenance and repairs. Add up quickly. Maintenance and repairs are often ignored by first-time car buyers, yet they can be a major drain on finances. Regular servicing, oil changes, tire replacements, brake repairs, and unexpected mechanical failures add up over time. Electric vehicles may reduce some maintenance costs, but battery replacement and specialized parts can be expensive. Luxury and imported cars typically incur higher repair and parts costs. In 2026, supply chain disruptions and labor shortages contribute to rising maintenance expenses, making it essential to budget realistically. Failing to plan for these costs can lead to debt or deferred maintenance, which only increases long-term expenses. 6. Taxes, fees, and registration costs. Taxes, registration, and licensing fees vary by state and vehicle type but are often overlooked. Many buyers calculate only the purchase price without accounting for annual property taxes, registration fees, emissions testing, or local EV incentives. These costs accumulate yearly and can exceed several hundred to a few $1,000s, depending on the vehicle and region. EV incentives can reduce some upfront costs but may not offset higher registration fees or maintenance over time. Understanding the full spectrum of governmental costs is necessary for realistic budgeting and avoiding unexpected financial strain. 7. Opportunity cost of tying up capital. Buying a car is not just about monthly payments, it's about opportunity cost. Money spent on a car, especially new vehicles, could instead be invested in stocks, retirement accounts, or other wealth-building opportunities. Over 5 years, the lost potential growth of capital invested elsewhere can exceed the actual depreciation and maintenance costs of the car. Many car owners overlook this long-term financial effect. Considering opportunity cost shifts the perspective from affordability to financial efficiency, encouraging smarter purchasing and financing decisions. 8. Financing and interest payments. Many people finance their cars through loans, adding interest payments to the total cost. In 2026, interest rates have been rising, making monthly payments higher than in previous years. Even a relatively small APR difference can result in thousands of dollars in additional costs over the life of the loan. Loan terms also affect depreciation exposure. Longer loans often mean negative equity if the vehicle's value drops faster than the outstanding balance. Understanding financing terms and interest impact is critical to avoiding being underwater on a car purchase. 9. Hidden costs of technology and features. Modern cars, especially EVs, come loaded with advanced technology and convenience features, which increase both upfront cost and long-term maintenance. Features like autonomous driving sensors, infotainment systems, and battery management electronics require specialized repairs and can be costly if damaged. Software updates, licensing fees, and warranty limitations also add hidden expenses. Many buyers focus on the shiny tech without accounting for its total ownership cost. In 2026, tech-heavy vehicles may appear affordable on paper, but carry significant long-term costs that impact real financial planning. 10. The true takeaway: cars are expensive assets. Owning a car in 2026 is far more expensive than most people think. Beyond the sticker price, depreciation, insurance, fuel, maintenance, taxes, financing, and opportunity costs all combine to create a significant financial commitment. Cars are depreciating, high-maintenance assets, not investments. Understanding the full spectrum of costs allows consumers to make informed decisions about purchasing, financing, and using vehicles. By calculating the total cost of ownership, exploring used options, and budgeting realistically, car owners can avoid unpleasant surprises and maintain financial stability. A car provides convenience and mobility, but it comes at a price far greater than many realize. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.